Standard 4th, EVS 2, Defeat of Internal Enemies. As we have seen in the last session, Chandrarao More of Jawali, the greatness of Shivaji's achievements was recognized everywhere, but in many people's eye, Shivaji was like a mole. More was the Jagirdar of Jawali. The More of Jawali was one such person. This Jagir, which extended from Raigad to Koyna Valley along with the title Chandrarao, was conferred upon him by Adil Shah. Jawali was covered with thick forest, that even during broad daylight the sun rays hardly penetrated it. It was full of wild animal life, tiger, bears, wolves. More's Jawali was thus like a tiger's hideout. No one therefore crossed More's path, only Shivaji had the courage to do. Daulat Rao More died in 1645. There was a fight for the succession among his descendants. Shivaji backed Yashwant Rao More. Shivaji backed, who with Shivaji's help ascended the Gadi as Chandrarao. In return for Shivaji's help, Yashwant Rao promised to help Shivaji in his struggle and also pay him an annual tribute. But he forgot all this once he succeeded to the Gadi. He started attacking Shivaji's territory and harassing the people. Shivaji realized that unless More was punished, he would remain a constant danger to Shivaji. Shivaji first sent a stiff note to Yashwant Rao More. You call yourself the Raja, but I am the Raja of this territory. This kingdom is Lord Shiva's gift to me, so do not call yourself the Raja. In a very rude reply, Yashwant Rao said, You are a Raja of only yesterdays. Who gave you this kingdom? If you come to Jawali, you will be trapped. By the grace of God, I have received from Adil Shah the title of Raja. He has also in his graciousness given me a throne and the panoply of a Raja. If you start any trouble here, you will be badly hurt. Now Shivaji replied, Give up Jawali and do not pretend to be a king. If you do not come to your master with folded hands, you will be risking your life. The conquest of Jawali was a difficult operation. It was covered with thick forest and protected by the impregnable Rairi fort. More also had numerous followers. Shivaji, after making preparation, attacked Jawali. Yashwant Rao held out for about a month, but suffered very heavy losses. Yashwant Rao. He then escaped to Rairi along with his family. Shivaji conquered Javali and then marched on Rairi. He laid siege to Fort Rairi. Yashwantrao fought desperately for 3 months, but he had to give up. The conquest of Javali was a very important landmark. This doubled the boundaries of Swaraj under Shivaji. Yashwantrao's army too joined the forces of Shivaji. The strong Rairi fort became a part of Swaraj. Shivaji was highly pleased to have this fort under his control. He changed its name to Raigad. Later on, he built a new fort on the Bhorpaya hill nearby, and it was named Pratapgarh. Thank you.